Bonobos help their ecosystems by dispersing seeds, regulating forests, cycling nutrients, supporting other species, landscaping, and they are a keystone species, which means without them, all chaos can break loose. The ways you can help them are by supporting anti-poaching, supporting protected areas, educating others, stopping the support of primate entertainment, choosing sustainable products, recycling electronics, and supporting or donating to organizations like African Wildlife Foundation or Friends of Bonobos. Thank you for listening, and as always, remember to reduce, reuse, and subscribe. Have a great day. Bye!